11 million light-years from where you're sitting right now, there is a galaxy that survived a car crash. Not a car crash, a galaxy crash. And for 50 years, we couldn't see what happened at the scene. Every telescope we pointed at it hit a wall of dust so thick, it swallowed the truth whole. Then, for years ago, we built something that could finally see through it. This is that photo. And once you understand what you're looking at, you will never look at a smudge in the night sky the same way again. This is Centaurus A, also called NGC 5128. It's one of the closest active galaxies to Earth, close enough that amateur astronomers can spot it with a backyard telescope. But here's the thing. For decades, Centaurus A was a mystery wrapped in darkness. Hubble tried to look at it in visible light and failed. A wall of dust across the galaxy's middle blocked the view completely. Spitzer came next, saw the big picture in infrared, the large dust lanes, the general shape, but couldn't resolve a single individual star. It was like knowing a house was on fire, but never being able to see the rooms inside. Then came July 2026. For years since the James Webb Space Telescope opened its eyes to the universe. And to mark the anniversary, NASA pointed Webb's infrared vision straight at Centaurus A's dusty heart. What came back changed everything. Look at that bright band cutting across the middle. That's not smoke. That's not fog. That is dust and gas. The wreckage of a collision between two galaxies, roughly 2 billion years ago. Two entire galaxies colliding. And what you're seeing is the debris field, still glowing, still settling, 2 billion years later. Now look closer at the center, that warm, pink-orange haze. That's not just light. That is a supermassive black hole, millions of times the mass of our sun, actively feeding on everything the collision threw its way. As it feeds, it fires off jets of plasma at nearly the speed of light and floods the